How to make $200 using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you a method that will allow you or will help you to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month without knowing any skill or without having any capital or any money to start with. So basically guys, the method is that you're going to search for the small business owners in the United States, such as plumbers, hairdressers, hair salons, auto repair garages, roofing, and all of those niches or gyms. Then you're going to check their profile in the Google Maps, and you're going to see if they have a website or not. If they have a website, we're going to check the website. If it's up to date, then we're going to move on to check the reviews. If they have any bad reviews, we're going to offer the service of removing those bad reviews and replacing them with good reviews, and also helping them rank higher in the platform. And if they don't have a website, we'll also offer the service of building a website for them. And if they already have a website, if it's an old website, we will offer to renovate the website for them. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can do that, even though without any skill. So basically, after you find the service that you're going to pitch to the business owners, you're going to go to fiverr.com or any other freelancing platform you'd like to work with. For me, I prefer fiverr.com. And let's go back to Google Maps. For example, here let's choose a state. So I'm just trying to explain the process from A to Z. So here let's go for Nevada, for example. Let's zoom in Nevada here. So we have Austin in here. Let's zoom in on that. And let's see the businesses that we can find in here. For example, let's go with gyms and click on search to see all of the available gyms in this place. So here we have a lot of gyms that we can approach, or we can pitch the idea to. So here we have 619 Muscle, which is a gym that we can pitch the idea that I've told you. So here let's check their profile first, but make sure to choose just the businesses that have less than 100 reviews. So for example, this one has 82 reviews. So let's check this business in here. They don't have a website, so that's a plus. That's the first service we're going to offer them. And by scrolling down, we see that they don't have any bad reviews. So this one, we're just going to offer them the website creation. So here let's go to Fiverr and let's search for website creation for gyms. Website creation for gyms. For gym, or you can just go with website creation. And here let's filter by budget, because we're going to make the minimum amount of money that you will get paid from creating a website for someone, or what we're going to go for is $100 minimum. So make sure to always go for $100, $150, $200 to leave a good margin for you, because you will not have the skill to build the website. So you're just going to outsource the work for someone else. So here let's go for budget, and here let's go for under $150, or you can just enter the budget. Let's remove this and let's go with custom, enter budget, and let's go with $50, or let's go with $60 max, then apply. Then we will be able to see all of the freelancers that will do the gig or the job for less than $50. I will create, fix, and do Figma to Webflow website design. So all of these people are going to make a website for your business for less than $50. So here you will just need to take their number, and you can cold call them, or you can just search. If you will be able to find their socials, that would be better. A lot of business owners don't like to be cold called, or you can just cold call them if you are good at sales or good at convincing people with your ideas. And then you can do the same with the other business owners. So here let's search for gym again, and if you multiply the method to all the business owners that you will find in this city or in this state, you'll be able to generate more than $2,000 per month. So here we have Arts Formula Fitness, the gym. It has 366 reviews. As I said, we're going for the businesses that have less than 100 reviews. For example, this one with 43. And here this one has a website. Let's check the website. If it needs renovation, we will do that for them. It looks like the website is up to date, as you can see. Their website is up to date, and we have here some of the best martial arts fighters, but we can find some bad reviews, but it looks like they don't have any bad reviews. So we can't pitch anything to this business like it seems. So you can just go on to the other business that you will find. This one, for example, but this is just a personal trainer. You can offer him the service of promoting his services. So you can do promotion for him, you can take care of the marketing for him. So I think, guys, you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.